Hi there, it's Kristen, and I wanted to talk to you really quick about our skin analysis app. They made the app so that you could use your selfie camera, which means that you are now able to take your own analysis of your face and send it to your consultant. Hopefully, if you're in this group, that would be me, which is wonderful because now I can see your results and help recommend things for you. One of the things I want to mention is that I'm doing a giveaway this week. And what you need to do is use the app to take your image, send the report to me, and I will end up giving away something up to a certain dollar value off your wish list or a percentage off a skincare set, depending on what's the thing that you're most excited about. So I posted earlier today the app so you can see it. It's on Google Play or the App Store. In my case, I have an Android phone, so I have the right here. I don't even know if you can see it because I can't tell from the preview if it's lined up. So I'm going to tap the app, open it up, let it launch, and I'm not in front of the camera. So it's going to say, let's begin. And it's going to ask things like dry, normal, oily, or combination skin type. Mine's roughly normal. So I've checked that off. I hit let's get started. And now it's going to have me line up my face with the camera. So I'm going to do that. You're going to watch me do that, and I'll show you what it does. So what you're basically doing is aligning your eyes with the crisscross. You need to have proper lighting, so I'm using my circle light. I'm using natural light. I'm in a bit brightly lit room. And then, of course, I got to get it back far enough so that all three check boxes, I'm going to show you this before I finish. 3 check boxes. Oh, the glare is horrible. The struggle is real. Up here are checked green. So if you can put yourself in a crosshairs like a video game, that's pretty much what this is. All right, I had a customer tell me earlier that they were having a little trouble with the alignment, so I can kind of see what she's talking about now. It is a little challenging. Trust me, the next stage is it would recommend products to you. It teases me every while I look away and it says proper lighting. But then my face isn't aligned. We got it. Just took 5 minutes. I apologize, but it's thinking. Boom, there's my report. And what I'll do is take a screen grab and post this later. And what it'll tell you is if there's damage to your skin tone, texture, eyes, wrinkles, it'll be to the far right. If it's not bad, it's to the left. And I'm proud to say, after 9 years of Mary Kay, most of my arrows are in the green zone, which I should hope so. And that's your summary. Then the regimen, the next tab underneath here, pointing in the wrong place, gives you like a list. And you can add to bag, literally putting together a shopping list. Here. So I'm saving my results. Ta-da! It's taking a minute. But I'm also going to hit share the results so you can kind of see what it does and what it looks like. So basically it's prompting me to use one of my many services, text, Facebook Messenger, email, whatever, and I'm going to email it to myself as if I were the customer. So to KRoseCarol at Gmail, my favorite Mary Kay consultant, from KRoseCarol at Gmail, my favorite Mary Kay consultant. And it says your customized skincare regimen has arrived. So you can put whatever comments you want in here. I'm writing demo and hitting send. But as I said, my challenge is for you to download the app, try it, send me your results, and that puts you in the drawing to win the prize on Friday. And depending on what's on your wish list, if you're so excited you want to start with a skincare set, I will give you 25% off your skincare set. But either way, I want you to have fun playing with the app and trying it. It's a great way to see over time how much better your skin gets. So I think that's amazing. You're seeing results. Pretty cool, huh? I will be doing the live at 3 o'clock on Friday, and I will post a reminder. I also have another giveaway happening tomorrow that has to do with making the group bigger. It's always fun when you have more friends, right? So stay tuned on Wednesday to see what that's all about. You guys are really awesome, and I appreciate that you tune in and you follow, and you have great questions, and the posts where I do something silly and you comment back. I love the responses, so please keep it up. And if you have friends like yourself, please invite them to join us. This is supposed to be a safe space, a fun place, where you're going to learn some great things, share some thoughts, and so I'll talk to you soon. Bye.